Good afternoon, guys. This is Ms. Teese again. I'm here today to show you how to turn in your independent study assignment if you're still unclear on how to get there and how to find it and turn it in. So I'm starting here on the Microsoft Office homepage again, and you're going to see all these lovely apps. The one you're going to want to click on is Teams. That will take you to the Teams homepage where my class and any other teacher's classes will show up for you as well. So I'm going to imagine that I am a 6th period student. Okay. Again, notice that you have different channels here. All the assignments will be posted in the general channel, but if it's from a long time ago, it's going to get buried under a bunch of other stuff. So the way that you're going to easily find your assignments are either by going here to assignments or up to here. This one's going to show you in this specific class. This one here will show you for all your classes. So let's make things simple. Go up here to assignments. And let's say that you have not turned in your independent study yet. It should show up under here where it says assigned. And so if I click on COVID dependent study, and here's what it should look like for you as a student. So just to clarify, the independent study assignment was for those 2 weeks that led up to spring break before when we kind of didn't know whether or not we were going to be out for the whole year. So it's totally fine if you did the assignment on paper and you can upload it that way. It's also fine if you want to go back and type up your answers and upload it that way. I'll give you the option. But your goal was to complete 15 total dialectical journal entries for chunks 2 through 4 of 1984. There are 10 points per chunk, which is basically 2 points per journal entry. You can complete them electronically, and I'll show you how to do that in a second, or you can just do it on paper and upload a picture of that assignment. So if I click on here where it says student work, I'm going to show you how that I can just go ahead and edit this document to add my own dialectical journal entries. So if I click on it, it'll show me the original entry. But here, if I go to edit document, I can go ahead and edit in browser. And then I can actually add my own section here. And if I want to make it really fancy, I can add a table. I'm just going to add, sure. Okay, quotes from 2 and in my responses. And so I'm going to write in blah, 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 blah. I'm going to cite my page number. And then I think yada, yada, yada. So a couple things here. You do not have to do 3 different responses per quote. This is just me being extra and trying to give you a bunch of different examples of how you could do it. It doesn't mean that you actually have to go through and write 3 for each quote. Some people went a little bit above and beyond, which is okay. But please don't give yourself more work than you need to. Just read carefully about what I ask you to do. Okay? So here's one option. Again, you can just go ahead and edit that. And if I close this out and I try opening it back up again, notice that it actually saved my work. And so anything that I type on this document, it'll actually save automatically, and Ms. Teese can go back and read it and grade you on whatever you have written there. So make sure it goes, anything that says student work means that you can edit that document and add to it and make changes. Another thing that you can do, if it has the student copy, it should have a little section here saying to upload work, and that's where you can attach pictures directly from your computer or from OneDrive if you save something on your OneDrive. So that's how you upload documents, and then once you have completed it, there should be a little button here in the corner saying to turn in. So please just click that whenever it's ready, and you'll be good to go. If you want to see a student example, I'll show you that right now. Okay, so this is an anonymous student example. Notice that this person has already completed and turned in their independent study. And so once they've turned it in and I've given them feedback, I will return the assignment to you. Now, returning it does not mean that you have to resubmit it. Notice it has an option for you to turn it in again. But this person has already attached all their pictures to the documents. You can add more work here. And I've already given them some feedback and I've given them full points. So as long as you've gotten the points that you wanted to get and that you've read my feedback and nothing is amiss, then you're good to go. And you've done with your independent study assignment And if there's anything missing, just let me know and I'll go fix it on Aries. All right, hope that cleared up some confusion. Let me know if you need anything else. Thanks.